5730 LEDs fish tank light, high definition translucent all use 5730 high brightness lamp beads, high color rendering, high clarity and transparency, bright colors. The light goes directly to the bottom of the fish tank, making the fish tank more translucent and more ornamental. Restoration of primay colors of fish and aquatic plants, closer to nature. Visual enjoyment. Can last up to 20,000 hours of lighting. 4 rows of lamp beads, adjustable extendable bracket compared with ordinary lights, the widened panel, 4 rows of lamp beads, thicker height, speed up the heat dissipation of the lamp. Use 3.5 mm diameter stainless steel bracket, stable and durable. Adjustable extendable bracket can fit most fish tanks. Please choose the right fish tank light according to the length of the fish tank. Full spectrum brightness, suitable for freshwater plants. Full spectrum ratio for aquarium. Make aquatic plants more comprehensive photosynthesis and color development, which is helpful for plant growth and viewing. Top reviews from the United States. Quality. I purchased this product and took a chance. Usually I stick to a few specific brands for aquarium plants lighting. I decided to give these a try and I am very pleased not only with the lights themselves, but the overall quality of the fixture itself. All around a great product, plants and fish look great. Awesome price for quality as well. I took a chance because Amazon was offering a coupon lol. Happy customer.